Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explain how to create unique list through data validation, and also we want Excel to reject any duplicate that is inputted into a particular range or a range of column or rows. Okay, so you select the range. If you want to use the entire column here for phone number or staff ID whatsoever, so you click on data tab, select data validation. Now go to custom, select custom. So with custom, we're going to use COUNTIF. First to COUNTIF, the range, you have this the entire range, then select one of the cell, one. Okay. Ensure that is less than or equals to 1. That is, any number or any input that is more than once will be rejected by Excel. So in this case, let's say we have staff ID, the input valid ID, error alert, duplication. Okay, let's use this number already exists. Type another number. So here now, let's say we have the number ID number to be 1001, 1002, 1003, 1001. See now, Excel will throw the error. This is the number already exists. Type another number. Okay, cancel 1004, 1009, 1009 again. That's how to use Excel to create a unique list with stock number, phone number, account number, or the rest. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you do so, kindly remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.